Can y'all hear that? We got crickets chirping, birds singing, dogs barking, and some sunshine in Texas. Guys, I just found this out. Here's an interesting fact. Houston in the past 6 days has received 9 trillion gallons of water by rain. And that's enough to fill up the Empire State Building 33,000 times. That's a lot.
We still have plenty of food and water, MREs, non-perishables. Got coolers everywhere, just in case power goes out. Tables to go outside if it's a little bit brighter during Colorado.
What a loser, son!
So happy to be done with that. We got sunshine for days, hopefully.
Hey, what's up, guys? Just wanted to give a quick update about Hurricane Harvey in the southwest Houston area. We're currently in Sugar Land, and we have not seen that in a long, long time. We've been cooped up in our houses, communicating via phone, internet. We didn't lose power. There was a couple of...
Terrible.
What was that one?
You mean to tell me I've been waiting 6 days to get out of the hurricane and all you fucking got here is a beef stick?
Just wanted to give a thank you to everybody out there, you know, trying to help people and get people to safety, those who are endangered and flooded in. More of the fan base just checking in on me. But you know, we try to help everybody out down here in Texas, and I'm sure everybody around the world does the same thing. Got more fan base over here. So, all right, I'm gonna have to wrap this up. But we did not get flooded in. We had a few pockets of water here and there. We were very, very lucky. I know you guys see on the news that, you know, water's like 11, 12, 13 feet in some areas of Houston. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys an update. We're over here.
So this here is called Bean Boozled, and it is a jelly bean treat / game. And what you're supposed to do is pick a jelly bean out of here, and there's 2 of the same kind. And one of them is going to be, for example, spoiled milk.
Oh! It went in!
You get the deal.
This isn't bad, so maybe she did get it.
It's toothpaste.
Yeah. Dude, Brent, I'm saying it to you, Mom. It's minty. Dude, the 1980s ever seemed so sick. What's up, gosh?
Or strawberry banana smoothie. Dead fish or strawberry banana smoothie.
Okay.
Oh no.
Strawberry banana.
Oh my god!
Okay, we're proud.
No, see, look, the other day I got
Strawberry banana.
toothpaste or blueberry blue.
Makes you think a little
So
bit.
this is Bean Boozled.
Turn it around. You can see the flavors on the other side.
And the
Start over.
explain this one for me.
Okay. Chancey,
I
put it
picked
back.
this one.
Put it back.
No, I want this
Okay,
one.
fine. Chancey picked one, and now she either picked Stinky Socks or Tutti Frutti.
Tutti Frutti. So you've got a
we're gonna
50%
try.
chance here.
No, don't smell it. Can't smell it.
What is it? What is it?
Tutti Frutti?
It must be Tutti Frutti.
You can tell.
Okay.
This is called Bean Boozled.
All right,
Comes
Father.
out, and we got tears.
Fuck, like,
What do we got?
Okay, what is this?
That is either.
I probably just made him without the sugar.
I cannot believe I said that.
Oh,
Tutti Frutti.
Oh,
she
shit.
had a Tutti Frutti earlier, so.
It tastes like bubble gum.
You must have got Tutti Frutti.
Okay.
You gotta help healthy turtles both ways. Well, if it's just one, you gotta get her.
Just getting a live update here. Now Houston is on a curfew, 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. because of looting.